In this chapter, I am going to explain introduction of trigonometry using some different daily life situations. Electric poles are present everywhere. They are usually erected by using a metal wire. The pole, wire and the ground form a triangle. By using the triangle properties, we can find the height of the pole or length of the wire or the distance between bottom of the pole and bottom of the wire. Do you know what is the tallest building in the world? The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. What is the height of this Burj Khalifa? So it is the biggest building. Do you know how can you find the height of this Burj Khalifa? Now let us see in second example. Now come to second example. In this example, a man approaches Burj Khalifa and looks at it. A line from his point of view contacts to take a height of Burj Khalifa is called the line of sight. It formed a triangular shape by drawing a line parallel to the ground from the height. The height of the Burj Khalifa can be determined with the help of a triangle shape. The height of the Burj Khalifa can also be found using a triangles of its properties. See, in this third example, a man walking on the bridge and then stand at middle of the bridge and observe the water flowing down in the river. He seemed to wants to know how wide the river was. Let's see how that person find the width of the river. The person should draw a line from the eye to the river bank and the right side as well as on the left side. A triangular shape is formed by drawing a line parallel to the bridge. Among these three examples, first one, in the first example, we have seen triangle shape. In second example, in Burj, the height of Burj Khalifa and also from the eyesight of that man is also appearing a triangle shape. And third example is also appearing a triangle shape. It means wherever triangle shapes appear, their heights or width can be found using a trigonometry. Why we using trigonometry only? Because the trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of relationship between the sides and angles of triangles. That's why we can use the trigonometry.